To send money from Denmark to Bangladesh, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Denmark and Bangladesh. There are several options available, including online services like TransferWise, PayPal, and traditional banks. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. You may also need to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you want to send and select the currency. The exchange rate and transfer fee will be calculated and displayed, so you can see exactly how much the recipient will receive. You can then choose your payment method, which may include bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Some services may also offer additional options, such as cash pickup or mobile wallet deposit. Once you have completed the transaction, you will receive a confirmation and a reference number. You can use this reference number to track the status of the transfer and ensure that the recipient receives the funds. It is also important to consider the transfer time and fees when choosing a service. Some services may offer faster transfer times, but at a higher cost, while others may take longer but charge lower fees. To get the best deal, it is a good idea to compare the rates and fees of different services before making a transfer. You can use online comparison tools to find the most competitive option. Additionally, you should be aware of the regulatory requirements and restrictions that apply to international money transfers. For example, there may be limits on the amount you can send, and you may need to provide additional documentation to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can send money from Denmark to Bangladesh quickly, securely, and at a competitive rate. It is essential to choose a reputable service and carefully review the terms and conditions to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.